going on, y'all? It's the second annual coats covering, and this time we're covering the Bosque Bridge. We're out here to do something great. We're out here to raise awareness that there is kids in school that don't have jackets. Most of the time, people just have jackets laying around in their closets. So we just went and got our family and our friends and people on Facebook and let them know that we would be taking the coats to donate them today. But we're also going to string them up across the Bosque just to let people know that there is people in Albuquerque that are facing the wintertime without coats.
What's up, y'all? We're out here coats covering the Bosque. Super excited. It's rainy, it's cold, but you know what? We're still out here. We have over 300 coats donated. I'm super excited. We got the Live Life Girls, we got JoJo Salsa Machine, we got T-Mobile out here, Cardinal House, we got Hot Heads, Cool Claws, Hugs and Kisses, all the Live Life families out here. And so I'm super excited. You know, I'm blessed that we could come together again for one more year as a community to do this event. With that being said, I just want to say thank you to everyone that came out this year. You guys mean a lot. You guys did great, and to the community, everyone donated, thumbs up, and we'll see you next year. Peace. Live life, y'all.